How to delete website in Wix Studio. So if you want to delete your website, you can first head over right here to your dashboard and then make sure to expand right here your website name. So just choose right here which is the website or the Wix Studio that you want to delete. For example, let's delete this My Site 4 and then it will actually load the dashboard of that particular site. So once the dashboard has been fully loaded, it should be able to show you a lot of settings and setups. So here it is right here. So the easiest way to delete it is to just head over and search for the delete option. You can see in here the search bar, so click on it and search in here for delete. So in here, you can see these options right there. So make sure to search for it. As you can see, we have in here this option to move site to trash. Click onto this option that we can see right there, and you will be redirected to that particular part. We have in here this for confirmation. Click onto this move to trash, and then it will essentially delete this particular site. So that's how you delete website in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.